Hi Melissa, it's Maggie. Thank you so much for your inquiry, and I'll be happy to review your SEO and help you get more free traffic, more organic traffic to your website. So first of all, I checked your overall SEO score. It is 53 out of 100, which is definitely room for improvement. The homepage Google snippet needs optimization. It is too long. The new requirements for Google snippet is up to 65 characters for meta title and up to 165 characters for meta description. Shopify allows for longer meta description because about 2018 there used to be this kind of allowance. They haven't changed their settings yet. However, if the meta description is over 165 characters, the rest of the meta description will be cut off in the search results. When I search for your URL in Google, I can see that the meta description is not the one that you defined, so it needs to be fixed. It looks like just a string of keywords, which might be considered the black hat SEO. The meta title, as I mentioned, because it's too long, is being cut off in a search result. So yeah, stick within up to 65 characters for meta title, and meta description will have to be defined again because it's definitely different than the one you defined here. As you can see, it's completely different text here than the one here displayed, and this is for the homepage. So that should be picked up by the search engines. I'm not sure why it isn't, so I'd be happy to look into that. You are missing H1 tags, so these are the most important for Google. They are usually assigned to the page title, so these help Google understand what's the content of each page. If the H1 is missing, it leaves Google a little bit confused, so I recommend working on H1 tags, and obviously adding H tags in the right order, so starting from H1, then H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, this kind of skipping from H3, H2 is also not recommended. The keyword consistency is not there yet. Obviously, it would be great if you were to rank for more specific keyword instead of shop, Jentl. Obviously, Jentl, you will automatically rank for Jentl once once your website has got higher domain authority. However, over shop, sustainability are too generic to really help you get ranked in more specific search results. So I'd be happy to find the best keywords for you, the best performing keywords that will help you get to the top, and obviously optimize your website content to help you rank for these keywords in Google. Yeah, keyword consistency is not there. As I mentioned, there are missing keywords from the main areas that Google is interested in. So obviously titles, meta description tags, heading tags. Also, the amount of written content is very important for Google. So longer pages, frequent blog posts, plenty of written content, product descriptions. I know you mentioned product descriptions, so I'd be happy to help you with that as well. And optimizing images with SEO-friendly alt tags. That's also important for Google, but it also improves your user experience because image alt tags help the users who use image readers. They help them understand what's in each image, so your website will be accessible to all users, which automatically will help your SEO because your user experience and accessibility is very, very important for Google. Please do me a great favor, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for the algorithm, and hit the bell to get notified every time I add new video. There's new video coming every week on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also check the other videos shown here and see even more clips on my YouTube channel. Speak with you soon. Bye bye.